Ever wonder why some guys just seem to have that magnetic pull, while others, maybe even you, get ignored no matter what you try? Here's the truth. It's not about money, it's not about luck, and it's not even about looks, my friend. The good news? If you flip these 3 simple switches, you'll instantly start standing out and getting better reactions from women because they are naturally drawn to these traits. And here's the best part. You don't need to change who you are. You just need to start showing these 3 traits in the right way. And you'll notice women paying attention to you in ways they never did before. Welcome to Irresistible Man, where we help you become the most confident, magnetic version of yourself. Before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. Now, let's get into it. Let's start with confidence, because this is where it all begins. Confidence is the number one thing women look for in a man, but most men misunderstand what it actually is. Confidence isn't walking around trying to look tough, being the loudest guy in the room, or pretending you don't care about anything. Real confidence is quiet, steady, and unshakable. It's the feeling that you know who you are and you're comfortable in your own skin. Women notice confidence before you even say a word. Your posture, your eye contact, your presence, they speak for you. If you slouch, avoid looking at people, or speak in a rushed, nervous tone, you signal insecurity. But if you stand tall, keep your shoulders back, look people in the eye, and speak calmly, you instantly feel more attractive. Here's something you can do today. Practice walking into a room like you belong there. Don't rush, don't fidget. Take a slow, deep breath before you walk in. Stand tall and look around with a calm face. You'll be amazed at how differently people respond to you. And that includes women. Now, let's talk about appearance. First impressions matter. You don't have to be the best looking guy in the world to win with women. But you do have to look like you respect yourself. A man who takes care of himself sends a message. I value myself, and I expect others to value me too. Start with your clothes. You don't need expensive brands. You just need clothes that fit you well and are clean. Fit is everything. A cheap, well-fitted shirt looks better than an expensive one that hangs off you. Grooming matters too. Get regular haircuts, keep your nails trimmed, and make sure you smell good. A subtle, masculine fragrance can make you unforgettable. Remember, women notice the details. If you put in just a little more effort than the average guy, you'll instantly stand out. You become the man who looks put together, who looks like he cares, and that's attractive on its own. But the most powerful pillar is emotional control and purpose. Women are naturally drawn to men who are steady, reliable, and moving forward in life. If you're easily triggered, quick to get jealous, or constantly chasing after validation, you become less attractive. But when you stay calm under pressure, laugh off little problems, and keep pursuing your goals, you become magnetic. Purpose is everything. A man with no direction in life is like a ship without a sail, and women can sense it. Your purpose doesn't have to be some grand mission that changes the world. It just needs to be something meaningful to you, your career, your fitness journey, a skill you're developing. When you wake up every day with something to work toward, it shows in how you carry yourself, and women notice that. Imagine this. 2 men approach a woman. One is well-dressed, calm, clearly passionate about what he's doing in life. The other complains about everything, talks about how bored he is and seems lost. Who do you think she's more drawn to? Exactly. Here's the best part. When you focus on these 3 pillars, your entire life improves. You don't just get better with women, you get better at work, with friends, with yourself. Your confidence grows, your options grow, and your life becomes more exciting. So let's quickly recap. Confidence is your foundation. Stand tall, speak clearly, move with purpose. Appearance is your first impression. Dress well, groom yourself, smell good. Emotional control and purpose make you the kind of man women trust, respect, and want to be around. If this video helped you, here's what to do next. Hit the like button so more men can find this video, leave a comment and tell me which of these 3 pillars you're working on right now, share this video with a friend who needs it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. You're not just watching videos, you're becoming the man women desire and the man you're proud to be. Let's keep building together.